guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. And today we'll be unboxing the Fab bag for the June month. It feels like after ages that we're doing this. I got my Fab bag after 3 months and I wasn't able to receive it due to the lockdown and corona conditions going on. But I finally have it. So as always, this came in this cardboard box packaging, but I had to get rid of the packaging due to the corona safety measures. So I just dumped the cardboard packaging and I have this bag with me right now. So this month's bag looks something like this. It is the same bag that we got in the February Fab bag edition. And yeah, I think they're repeating the bag and the products due to the COVID-19 situation. I mean, I'm not sure why they're doing this thing, but yeah, the bag is same. Now let's see what all product we have inside this bag. So the first product that we have this time is this Sugar Plush Crush Creme Crayon, and I've got this one in the shade Peach Pixie. It looks something like this. Yep. So in the month of June, we got an option to select a shade from this Sugar Plush Crush Creme Crayon, and I went ahead with the shade Peach Pixie. I saw the swatches online and I kind of liked this shade. Let's just open it and see how it actually looks. So yeah, this is not a matte crayon something. This is a creme crayon. So this is how the shade looks. It's a peachy shade. Do let me know if you'd want me to do a complete review video for this crayon. I'll quickly show you a swatch of this lipstick. So guys, this is how it looks in natural light. This is more of a pinky peachy nude shade, and this is how it looks on my lips in the natural light. I kind of like this shade a lot. Then we have this Saint Devon's body wash in tea tree. It says it has tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil, and also this is sulfate free. It's anti-odor and antibacterial. So this is a really nice buy in the season of monsoon, as we absolutely need something antibacterial, and especially during corona times. So yeah, this is nice. This is a sample size product. I'll be mentioning all the prices and other details of this in the description box below. The next product that I've got is this Blossom Culture Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile Face Wash. I already have this one. I have this one in a bigger size and in a smaller size as well. I got it in a Fab bag only, and I've again got a repeated product. So I guess I'm just gonna keep it aside, maybe for gifting or giveaway purposes. I already have two which I am yet to use, so there's no point of using this as well. But then this is a really nice face wash. I've used the bigger size of it, and this is a kind of very refreshing face wash. It is very mild. The next product that we've got is this Casca nail lacquer in the shade 76, and this is another repeated product. I had the same nail paint shade from Fab bag already, and I haven't used it yet, so I think I will again keep this for giveaway or gifting purposes. I'm not really happy to receive repeated products, but yeah. And the last product that we have here is the All Naturals Co aloe vera gel. This is another repeated product, but I am very happy with this repeated product because I had finished the aloe vera gel that I got in my last subscription box from Fab bag, and it was amazing. I used it for DIY, skincare and everything. It was amazing. It was absolutely pure, and I would highly recommend you to use this or try this, and I'm really happy that I got this again. So guys, that was it for this month's Fab bag. Now we have these information cards. I'll be mentioning all the details for the Fab bag in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yeah, I would not really recommend you to try this month's Fab bag. I'm not very happy with it. If you are a new customer, you can definitely give it a shot. They've got nice products this time, but it's more of a repeated for us, so I am not happy with it. Also, if you are someone who wants to buy this Sugar Plush Creme Crayon, they can definitely buy this month's fab bag, because originally the crayon retails for rupees 700 and you can get it in this bag for just rupees 600 with all the other products as well. So that's a great deal. So you can definitely give this bag a shot if you want to buy that crayon, or if you are a new subscriber. Guys, that was it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this month's fab bag. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can connect with me on all my social media handles. The link for my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.